What?
Yo, Mo, how the fuck are you, bro?
What the fuck? What's good, bro?
How the fuck are you, man?
For this shit. Hold up, bro. I might cry, bro. What the fuck?
Yo, how the fuck are you, bro? How you feeling?
My soul is hurt right now, bro. What the fuck is that? Hey, Rocket! Come here, hurry up! Hey, this is crazy, bro. How you just sound just like this man.
I don't even know, bro. I don't even know myself.
Bro, freestyle real quick.
Well, freestyle? Man, I definitely got you, bro.
What the fuck?
Alright, let's see this. See what I can come up with real fucking fast. Alright, let's get this shit.
Bro. This nigga eat a watermelon like an African.
Alright. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Hey. Niggas wanna test me. Niggas always playing. Might as well make it on this dope. Might as well just go Super Saiyan. But the D nigga might test this. Me niggas are always investment. Now that these niggas investment. Might as well run up on getting investment. Might as well get on the guap. Making it all in the shot. You niggas are always in pop. Might as well go. I'm getting the pop. Now I'm just playing. Might as well go Super Saiyan. Waiting in money in the land. Might as well go and leave where you stand. On the dust today. Waiting on a check. Bitches giving neck. Getting money check. Okay, 1, 2. Waiting on a shoot. Might as well just pull out and just fucking shoot.
Hey, this shit crazy, bro. No, I definitely had to show some love to you, bro. That shit is crazy. I just seen it the other day. I'm like, this nigga really sound like X. And then I was like, hell no, I gotta show everybody. Like, this shit is wild.
Yo, I appreciate you for hitting me up. Also, shout out to my manager for actually getting to you. That nigga actually got to you.
Yeah,
That's why I'm here now.
What's his ad again?
Little. Hold on, I'll type it for you. Hold up. Right there. That's his app.
Yeah, this nigga look like. Not like X. He don't got no pictures. His picture is just X on the page. That's crazy. Hell no.
I saw
What
that.
the fuck?
Let's jump.
Hey, I almost cried, bro. When he first got on there, bro, I was sick. I'm like, I can't even. This is overwhelming. That shit crazy, bro. I missed that damn voice, bro.
It's distinctive.
Oh my god, bro. That nigga just made my day. I'm about to go have fun today. That shit's crazy. Hey, they don't even know, like, me and this nigga lived with X, bro. We had so much fun, bro. Some of the best legendary ass moments with this man.
Rest in peace, y'all. I miss you. That shit crazy. Wish we could relive it.
I wish we could too. Everybody, all our homies keep passing away. This nigga homie Mac, he been hitting us up for 5 days straight trying to get me to link up.
Man, rest in peace, Mac. Bro, I just talked to you yesterday, my nigga. Man, I miss you, bro. You brought me on my first tour ever, my nigga. I love you, brother. Rest easy.
That shit crazy. That nigga named numero 0, you feel me? Go check his shit out. Man really sound like X.
Rest in peace, Big Boss Fredo, too.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Oh, no.
Fredo love me. That shit wild, bro. I'm off this shit.